Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Hyundai Kona key battery, full guide. Use a small flathead to pry open the fob seam, remove the old CR2032 battery, note the plus orientation, insert the new battery with the same side up, and snap the case closed. Test the remote buttons and keyless entry, and reprogram if needed. I'll walk you through each step calmly and clearly so you get it right. Carefully separate the key fob halves using the notch or seam and a small flathead, prying gently to avoid plastic damage. Remove the battery clip or holder if present, and lift the old CR2032 battery out using plastic tweezers or fingertip pressure. Compare the old and new batteries for damage, then place the new battery matching the plus orientation. Close the case securely and test the remote functions and key release to confirm success. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: the product seen here is a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs oddly well with saving for car maintenance. Supporting the channel helps me make more step-by-step car guides and keeps me testing parts you can trust. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After replacing the battery, verify every feature. Lock, unlock, panic, and keyless start if equipped. If the fob does not respond, try removing and reinserting the battery, checking contacts for corrosion, and ensuring the battery is fresh. Some Konas may require a simple resync sequence with the vehicle. Consult your manual or dealer if necessary. Keep the old battery for safe disposal and recycle nearby recycling centers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.